Hi children, good morning to everyone. Today we will discuss about the motion. What is a motion? A body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to time. For example, here the body is moves from A1 to A2 and A2 to A3, then the positions are changed with respect to the time. This process is said to be the body is in motion. A body is said to be in rest when it does not change its position with respect to time. For example, here the body A remains constant. It means if the time is changes but the body remains constant at a fixed point. Now we will discuss some important types of motions. Motion in a straight path without changing its direction is called rectilinear motion. For example, vehicle running on straight road. Circular motion. Motion around a circular path is called circular motion. Here, the body A is moving along the circular path. The best example of circular motion is rotation of moon around the earth. Periodic motion. Motion which repeats itself after a regular interval is called periodic motion. Here the body moves from A to B and B to A. The process repeated in a certain time of period. This process is called as periodic motion. Some examples of periodic motion is motion of a simple pendulum, motion of a needle of a sewing machine, string of guitar. Rotational motion. Motion in which body is turning around its own axis is called as rotational motion. Some examples of rotational motion is wheel of a car, motion of earth around its axis. Uniform motion. An object which covers equal distance in equal interval of time is said to be in uniform motion. Here, the body moves from A to B and B to C in equal time, and distance from A to B and B to C are also equal. Non-uniform motion. What is a non-uniform motion? If an object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time is said to be non-uniform motion. Here, the body moves from A to B and B to C in equal time, and the distance from A to B and B to C is not equal. Okay, children, we will discuss the practice exercise on tomorrow.